passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison.
Turn it. Stay there.
Stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison.
Cool.
Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison. Our passion for freedom is stronger than a prison.
Currently outside Manhattan Convention Center, Pearl Street and Park Road. This is noise demo. Noise demo against the prison industrial complex in Manhattan. Earlier I was at one outside Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. You can check out my Twitter and Bonnie for that one. Yeah. New Year's Eve, Happy New Year. And this demonstration and noise demos have a great deal of meaning and connection to the Black Lives Matter movement and demonstration. As there is discriminatory enforcement, in New York especially, broken windows are something supposed to affect mostly black and brown people, and the U.S. holds 5% of the world's population and 25% of its prison population. Most of that population is black and Hispanic people of color. So, another aspect of the entire Black Lives Matter movement agency. Outside someone did someone who killed someone or raped, but but it's for those people who are taking in on, say, a minor drug offense, like, I don't know, possession of a drug, and they get sent here. Meanwhile, the CEO of MCC goes home after laundering billions to Mexico, and he's sleeping in a nice home with his family, or her family, In St. Louis, Missouri, they actually occupied a police department today. There's supposedly going to be a demonstration today going from Union Square to Times Square. I will not be covering that because there's no point in going to Times Square today. It's kind of a fruitless endeavor. But demonstrations here outside Manhattan Correctional Center in New York City. We show support for those who are sent to prison. Getting to the prison metro complex. Mind you, I don't think anyone's out here for raping or killing, but people who got put away because of institutional repression. That's what people are out here for. I recommend, as you watch this, everyone go out and see Fruitvale Station. It actually does address mass incarceration, as well as taking a picture of Oscar Grant's life coping with having a criminal record. And it's supposed to show me in that movie because we just judge people who just have criminal records. See Fruitvale Station, it addresses police violence and it addresses mass incarceration too. Also, see Selma. It's a really good movie. Hey. Morning, yeah.
How's everybody doing today? Monday.
Want to say hello?
I'm showing my mask to the guys.
Cool.
Otherwise, it'd be my shirt. Happy New Year. Right?
Yeah,
Are you coming back to the party later, or?
Probably not. There's a house party going to. There's a house party.
Sleeping out in front of Gracie Mansion. New Year. I want to wake up with Blasio. I want to wake him up. Can you just bring this uptown to 88th Street and East End Avenue?
Note also, I will not be streaming any demonstration from Union Square to Times Square. I think James from the internet might be at that, at James F. the internet, but I won't do that one because it does not seem like a very good idea. So yeah. Hello. Oh, hey. What's up? We'll get to you.
You?
Are you?
Alright, a little cold.
Cool. someone threw glitter on the ground. New Year in general. Those that go to the bar or even just watching TV tonight or just watching a movie with someone else or whatever, have a good Happy New Year. Estás en España o en otro país de Latinoamérica que no es Brasil, porque en Brasil hablan portugués. Feliz Nuevo. Current chant, what goes up must come down, burn those prisoners to the ground. Once again, as you watch, remember, this demonstration also fishing. It's not just every year I've documented noise demos. This year is more poignant because of the wave of Black Lives Matter demos. And the United States holds 5% of the world's population and 25% of the world's prison population. The majority of whom are people of color. So, this puts them in systematic oppression. And because of racist policing, it's also puts us the prison system more. So, a victim of Black Lives Matter very much tonight. Hearing about police killings, stop and frisk, and broken window policies which largely affect communities of color. But in the end, those that don't die or that they stop and frisk, some of them, not all, but some of them end up in the prison system. And it's another form of discrimination. As one student put it, it's like you have a free labor force, because in the prison system you can actually put stock. They make furniture in prison, and they make license plates in prison. It's actually taking jobs away from other workers, American workers. But they do this in prisons, and it's actually it's free labor pretty much. If they even pay them at all. Like, they might pay them a little, I'm not sure, but prisoners, and you can invest stock in the precious corporations of America. And they make stuff like IKEA furniture and stuff like that in the prison. So, and it's more systematic oppression. And it's like, basically, you do the pros. And obviously, when you go to prison, it's that much harder to get a job when you get out. So, what are you going to end up doing if you can't get a job? I'm doing something that is going to get you elected to drug dealer, which is also largely affecting units of color. Demonstration against mass incarceration. What's up? Nobody gets opposed. And of course, always a quick plug. I gotta do this because it's how to stay moving. $2 PayPal donation to stopmotionsolo@gmail.com. $2 PayPal donation to stopmotionsolo@gmail.com is how to stay moving. I don't know. I can't imagine any mainstream source covering this stuff. Maybe someone records it, puts it on YouTube, but in general, live stream journalism are crowdfunded. So if you can help out $2. If not, all good. I understand time is up, please. If you can, you already gave. Thank you very much. But if you can help out, please consider it, because I won't stop doing this. Right now, the demonstration is outside Manhattan's Restaurant Center and by One Police Plaza, New York City. The environment and mood is quite happy, quite joyous in the studio. So I'm also this demonstration outside a prison. Mind it? What? Good to see you. Feliz año nuevo. Se desejar no Brasil. Feliz año nuevo. Feliz año nuevo. Esta es su manifestación afuera de una prisión en Manhattan, Nueva York. Este manifestación afuera de un fiscal de Nueva York. Fiscal de Nueva York.
Está, caballero.
You can also go to my Vine and see a demo outside the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. Puedes ir a mi Vine y ver una video del centro de detención metropolitano en Brooklyn. feel less hurt after the top down.